In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find saved videos on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to videos, and let's say I want to watch some reels. And once we find a video we would like to save, we can tap right here at three dots and then tap at Save Reel. But how we can find that reels? To do that, we need to go to our Facebook profile page by clicking at our profile picture. We can also do so right from here, from our home page. Just tap at your profile picture. Then tap at Reels right over here, and that's where you can easily find saved. If you tap on it, it will show you all the reels you have saved, and then you can play it, and in any time you can watch it later. If you would like to delete reel from saved, tap at three dots and then tap at Unsave Reel. That will remove that reel from your saved reels. Let me refresh the app, and then if we go to Save, we can see that the reel I have just removed is no longer showing here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.